right, people. So, as you can see, this is the EF for God. It executed a trade there and it has taken one TP. We have another one remaining. Yeah, and then from there is another buying position. However, that's not the purpose for this video. So, the reason why I have recorded this video is to show you how to install an EA. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to remove this one. So I remove it, come here on expert and then remove it. From there, I'll also go and delete it in the file where it is so that I can show you from the scratch. So I have deleted it. From there, I will come back on my demo trading view account, and then we have to install it. So to install a bot, the first thing that we are supposed to do, or an EA, is to come here at the top left corner of your hand where it says file, and then from there we come here where it says folder. From there we come here where it says MQL4 and then experts. All right, so this is where we're supposed to paste our EA. So I already have it. I'll paste it. All right, oh sorry, I'll go in my folder and then copy it, and then we will come here again on MQL4 expert, and then I'll paste my EA expert advisor specifically for trading God, and then I'm going to close this. You can see it is the one that entered from there. All right, it is already aiming. You can see that TPA is in green. We have taken take profit. So as soon as I install it, you will see that it will execute another trade. So I installed it step by step. The first thing I did, I went here at the top left corner of your hand where it says file, open data folder, and then MQL4 folder, and then you come here, it says expert. This is the robot. So from there, the next thing that I'm going to do is to come here where it says expert advisor, and then I'll right click and then refresh. We can see the EA is here. Okay, and then I can drag it or double click on it to put it on the chart for God. If I drag it there like this, it will look something like that. Okay, so the inputs I can just change to 0.09 for the lot size since I'm trading God, and then the rest you can just leave them just like that. It's fine. Trailing stop, use trailing stop loss. You can also put it as true to use trailing stop loss, and then from there common, you can choose either just to be trading long position or short position, or long and short, which means it will also be doing hedging. And then enable alerts, allow live trading, allow DAL imports, allow imports from external expert. This one I don't really recommend it. And then I'll click OK. You can see that the EA has even executed more trades, buy together and sell. It is hedging. Okay, that is an example. So here you can see at the top right corner here where my mouse is hovering, we have the emoji that is with a smiley face. So that means the EA is fine. If the EA isn't fine, you will see it means the robot is not functioning well. So let me do something. So I will remove all these things and then click OK. You can see the emoji here at the top right corner here. It is showing a sad face. That means the EA is not going to function or automate your trading. So to fix this issue, you're supposed to go here at this widget where there is tools. You come here where it says options, And then there are so many stuffs here. So your interest is here, expert advisor. And then you have to click and tick mark this allow automated trading. When you click, it will bring this disable automated trading when the account has been changed. You can click it. Disable automated trading when the profile has been changed. You can click disable automated trading when the chart symbol or period has been changed. You can tick mark all these things. Then later allow DAL imports. Okay, if you are using a VPS, you can also click here allow web request for listed URL and then click OK. The moment I click, you will see the emoji will have a smiley face like that. You can see, and the EA here entered about 2 trades for buy and another one two trades for buy and another one 2 for sell and 1 for buying. All right, it is the one that is trading automatically. So this is how the EA is installed. And you can also modify. You want to change the stop loss, I mean the lot size, you can just right click and then you come here where it says expert properties, and then you come here where it says imports. You can change the lot size to 0.5, 0.2, 0.1, or even to a standard lot size. All right, so that is also good risk. Just use something that you know the account will be able to hold. All right, that's very, very, very much important. So this is it, guys. I just want to show you how to do this and also to help you understand how the EA gets installed. So thank you so much. We'll end here. Bye bye.